As you can see, Thomas, T-Rex is just about done. The tail is finished all the way to the top of the legs. Only thing is left that little bitty piece on the top of the back, and then you can't see it because it's behind the print head, but his head still needs to come up. I don't know whether he'll be done tonight, but he's just about there, and as soon as he's ready, if it's not too late, we'll start taking the supports off and making him look like a real T-Rex. All right. I'll tell you as soon as it's done. Bye-bye. Hello, Thomas. Good day to you. It was a good day for me. I woke up this morning and tried to, well, I actually did it. I took the waste material off of your T-Rex. Didn't have a good time doing it. It just popped right off in one huge chunk. Took both legs with it. I got the legs. I'm going to glue them back on, but I want you to know that there are some defects. I'm really sorry about that, but we're going to call this a trial run, and we're going to do it again. That filament that we used was made in China, and I really didn't like it from the beginning. It was too brittle, and it just didn't have the right, it gave off all kinds of false colors and just didn't have the right texture to it. So I'm learning. I may be able to make something flat out of it like a tabletop, but intricate models, I'm not going to be able to use it for that. So this was a trial run, and we did learn something from it. We're going to do it again. I have 2 rolls of PLA filament that were made in the good old USA. The colors are black and white, and you get to choose. Remember, if you choose white, you can paint it any color you want to. Spray paint works real good on it, and if you wanted to use a brush and paint it up real nice, you could do that too. So I'm going to start it again as soon as you tell me what color you want, and we'll try and make a better one. You get this one anyway. He's all yours to do what you want with him once I get them together, and I'll let you know when that happens. Right after this, you're going to see the video of me taking the waste material off, and you actually see me break it. Okay, so have a happy heart. We're going to do it again, and testing one, up two, comes the next video. Love you. Bye bye. All right. Well, good morning, Thomas. Well, whatever time of day it is, hello to you. I'm glad to see you around. This is Great Grandpa here. Oh, hard to get bent over. So I came in to check on the progress, and I found T-Rex right in the end of the printer bed, all finished up, which is what the printer does when it's finished with a project. It just sticks it out there and waits for you to come get it. So this is T-Rex. He's done, and it looks like we did a pretty good job on him. We have from head to tail the whole thing. Let me get my camera adjusted here a little bit. Yeah. You see the full arm over here. And on this side, we had a defect. This support looks like it broke off or didn't get complete, and the arm didn't get complete. I've got a little stub. We're going to try and glue it on, but if not, then he'll just be a Special Olympics T-Rex. Okay. He looks pretty good. Well, he doesn't right now, does he? He's got all kinds of stuff on him. All of this down here is support material, and it all has to come off. So we have to wiggle it and get it all off of there somehow. Get it all broken off. And what I like to do is feel around on it and see if there's anything loose that feels like it wants to come off. And I don't feel anything. This is all tight, which is never had one that tight. This might be a challenge for us. I see right here where the front arm is. It's a little bit loose there, and I also can see underneath I got a place to put a pair of pliers, so I'm going to grab my needle nose and stick under here and try and carefully, oh, there's a little piece off, a little more, please tight, a little more. Stuff is flying all over the room here. Grandma's going to love me for this. Well, we got a little bit. You can see his arm is free now, right there. Boy, we've got a long way to go. I just don't know what to do next. I'll try this. Thomas, this is the hardest one I've ever done. Oh, there's a piece. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Thomas. The whole tail's coming off. Ah, look at that. I hope I didn't. I did. Look at it. That whole bottom broke off. It broke his foot off. Broke his leg off. This is way too much. I think we can get those back on though. Wow. He came out of there almost perfect. Kind of almost perfect. I am gonna turn on my Harpobly light and get this one back in place right away before it breaks loose. Pardon me while I set it down out of sight. I gotta work with 3 hands and I only have 2. I think I got some glue on there this time. I'm going to hold them in place for a while. I hope this is recording good. Oh, he's starting to stick now. Starting to give me fits. Great Grandpa's getting upset. Great Grandpa's got super glue all over his body. I think I ought to send it to Grandpa in a bag and let him do it. I did not expect that to pop off all at once like that. It just went blam right in my hand. Okay. We're going to have to rethink this whole venture here. Well, I got everything. All I need is that leg right there. So let's go find that leg. There he is on this side. He looks like he's just ready to flip right out of there. I'm going to take the needle nose and put down here. See if I can, maybe not. Maybe I'll just try and wiggle him out of there. Yeah. Hey, got it all out in one piece. Now we'll be able to put him back on with no problem. He'll go right here. Just like that. Be no problem. We'll get them all glued back together and get him on his way to your house. So I think we'll call that a wrap. There wasn't much excitement to it, except when that whole thing popped out in my hand. Alrighty. I'll finish him up and he'll be ready to get on the way. Bye-bye for now.